Before I review Wendy's new maple making croissant sandwich, a disclaimer on my day 12 on my Star Wars advent calendar. It was not Anakin. It was Han Solo in his winter battle on Hoth. Sorry. But we're halfway through the Star Wars advent calendar. And to celebrate that, I got this from Wendy's. It's their newest sandwich. It's a chicken sandwich, which I don't usually get from Wendy's because I'm a burger guy. But you know me, I'll try anything once if I think it's interesting enough. Let's take a look at it. It's got a croissant bun. Hold on, light. It's got a croissant bun. It's got bacon, Swiss cheese, and some mapley glaze, which you can't really see, but let's try it out. The bun tastes like a hot dog bun. This is giving me major hot dog vibes. Wendy's usually has great chicken sandwiches, but from what I heard, it just tastes like a hot dog and not a good one. You know what I think? I think it's the Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese does not belong on a chicken sandwich. Let's try a piece of the chicken by itself. No, the chicken's fine. Let's try the bacon by itself. Bacon's crispy, but it's covered in this maple glaze, which they don't have much on the bottom. Ow. This is a massive disappointment. To think, I was looking forward to trying this. This is only gonna get a low 3. And that's because of the quality of the chicken. And the bacon. But I'm going to finish it because it would be rude to waste food. Anyways, we're driving over to Rocket Fizz to see if they have any holiday sodas. And we'll let you know. Bye.